Welcome to the textual exercise of the chapter Engine Trouble. Now, in this module, you're going to appreciate the text and also you will learn to write a personal letter. Now, the first part is answer the following questions. Let's try answering these questions. First one is, how did the people behave when they got to know that the speaker had won a road engine? Second question, what did the showman tell the speaker about transporting the prize? Third one, was the speaker happy with the price at first? Give reasons. Fourth one, what expenses did the speaker have to bear because of the road engine? Fifth one, why was the speaker put in jail? Sixth one, how did the speaker try to escape paying his bills? And seventh one, how did the earthquake help the speaker? Now, in this, what you have to do is, these sentences from the text show the speaker's feelings at different points in the story. Complete this table by mentioning the event which had made the speaker feel that way. Now, see, the feelings are given in this column. I look stunned. You have to write why was he stunned? What was the event when he became stunned? You have to write the event here. Stunned means it was like really surprised. So what was the reason for that? You have to write it here. Okay, the events that caused these feelings. Next is we are learning to appreciate the text. Means we are learning it to say about the text, to understand about the story. Irony. Irony means an event or situation that seems opposite to what one expects and is often amusing as a result. How does the speaker bring forth the irony in this text? Does it make the text more amusing? So here we have to understand and write what is the irony in this text. Irony means we expect something to happen after this, but just the opposite happens. So how does this in this lesson, what is the irony there, and does it make us more excited, or is it making the story a humorous one? You have to write that. Now, second one is write 5 adjectives to describe the speaker. Choose incidents or lines from the story to support your choice of adjectives. Adjectives means what describes a noun. You have to write, for example, if we are telling about principal, we say honorable principal. That's an adjective. We describe the principal by using the adjective honorable. Similarly, you have to write 5 adjectives that describes the speaker, and whatever you're writing, you have to write the reason for this. Why do you describe him in that way? From the story, you have to pick up an incident which is apt for that adjective. If, for example, you can write the humorous speaker, and humorous you can write. You can point out the sentences which he says in a funny manner to describe that adjective. Okay. Now next is vocabulary. Complete these sentences with expressions from the box that match the meanings in the brackets. See, these are the meanings given in the bracket. You have to find the words in the box which has the same meanings as these words in the brackets. Find out the correct meanings from the boxes and fill in the blanks. Now you have your TMLA for this module. That is, you have to write a letter. Imagine that you were there at Grade8 when the speaker won the road engine in the lottery. Write a letter to your uncle narrating the incident, mentioning how the speaker and others had reacted and why you found it amusing. See, you have to imagine that you were also there along with the speaker in the Grade8 at that time when he won the road engine. You have to write to your uncle what all happened there, about everyone's feelings, about your feelings, about how the speaker reacted, all these things. You have to write a letter to your uncle. See, this is the format of a letter, of a personal letter. Now, in the right side, you have the address first here. So, you have to write your address here first. Then, you have to write the date. Then, in the left side, you have to write the salutation. You're going to write a letter to your uncle. So, you have to write Dear Uncle here. Then, what all you witnessed in the Gaiety land in the body of the letter. This is the body of the letter. And then, you have to write the closing. You can write love and your name here. Here you should write your name. You can write kind regards, then your name. You can write best wishes, love, or anything like that, and your name here. This is the format you have to write the letter. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Take care.